right now here in Needham Harbor. Warm evening here in the area.
And that is going to be the trend over the next day or two. We're going to run into some problems for at least a portion of the weekend. I want to talk about pollen count because a lot of you have issues with that. Notice it spikes even higher in the next day or two and then drops on Saturday, and that's a tip-off to the wet weather that's on the way. Look at high temperatures today, well into the 70s inland, hit 77 in Millis, but see how the shoreline was much cooler? It's because it was an easterly wind right along the coast. And there's still a bit of a breeze off the water, but it's 58 right now in Boston. It's generally in the 50s to low 60s, and will be in the 50s to around 60 to start your day tomorrow. But you will see a lot of cloudiness tomorrow, and maybe even either mist or a little spot shower here or there coming up from the south coast as the southerly wind brings more and more humid air into the region. It may brighten at times in the afternoon, but I don't expect as much sun as we had today. Now, as for temperatures tomorrow around the region, notice around Cape Ann on the North Shore, we do reach the 70s until you're right near the water's edge. Then the temperatures are a little bit cooler over there because of the effect of the ocean. Meantime, for inland locations, it's going to be a little bit milder tomorrow. There's no two ways about that. There you'll see generally in the 70s throughout all of the region. That's even if there isn't that much sunshine. So it will be a mild day. These are severe storm reports from today. Ohio was fairly hard hit. 4 tornadoes and over 40 reports of wind and hail. So those are the severe storms. Why? Because look at this temperature contrast. See the warmth there, then it turns cooler across the Midwest? So because of that, we're seeing this line of storms and heavy downpours. It'll move east, but slowly, but will play a part in our weekend weather. Potential of 1 to 2 inches of rain from Worcester west when the rains do arrive, and about a ½ an inch to an inch along the coast. The heavier rains will last longer out west. That's why their rainfall totals would be higher. So tomorrow, clouds, maybe a bit of mist, spot shower, few bright spots, 70s, and more humid. Now, as we get into Friday, then it's going to start getting a little more interesting. The rain will be approaching, and there could be some showers from Worcester west, a few of them, but in the coastal plain, it's going to be dry during the daylight hours. It is overnight Friday night, especially late, and on into Saturday morning. That's when we really run into the issue of getting into the rain. And I think the heaviest rain will be Saturday morning in our region. Thereafter, the rain should diminish some, but we could get a ½ an inch to 2 inches as you saw, and don't expect complete clearing because an upper level system is going to drift across the region into early next week. So there'll still be at least residual off and on showers likely Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Not all day rains, and again the heaviest looks like it'll be Saturday morning till about midday. Cindy will have an update in the morning, and I will see you later tomorrow.